545 billion pesos vanished into thin air. And now they dare call the people's protest nothing but drama politics? DDS, seryoso ba kayo? O gusto nyo kaming gawin tanga? This is Janine the Judge. Let's rewind, uncover scandals that make us ask, billions vanished, cover up ba to? Or justice waiting to happen? Stay with me. Let's break it down. Guys, this is not a conspiracy theory. Since 2022, 545 billion pesos flood control funds have been allocated. Thousands of projects gone wrong, substandard, undocumented, ghosted. 15 contractors grabbed 20% of the flood budget. Flood walls rising into nowhere. Drains built with no exit. Dikes that don't even touch rivers. Not defense. Not protection. This is daylight plunder. Not protection. Plunder. Experts call it systemic, rigged bidding, favoritism, zero oversight. Public funds drained. Communities drowned. Guys, our tax money supposed to protect us ends up in corruption. Billions wasted. Communities drown. And when billions meant for safety vanish, people rise. Here's what happened. No wonder people are angry. 30 groups hit the streets shouting panagutan. They're tired. Every rainy season, their homes become swimming pools. This isn't a drama. Ito ang boses ng nanay na nawalan ng tindahan, tatay na hindi makapagtrabaho, at mga bata na absent sa school dahil sa baha. And they're asking for just one thing, accountability. Pero anong nangyari? Biglang pumasok ang DDS spin. Suddenly, people's protests are flipped, sinasabi na scripted daw. May hidden agenda, gusto lang ibagsak si ganito, si ganyan. Convenient, no? Instead of focusing sa 545 billion pesos na nawala, ide-divert na lang ang usapan. Classic movie. And the spin doesn't stop there. It's not just flood project. According to an Inquirer report, Sara Duterte's kidnap plot claim even backfired, hurting her father's ICC bid. And according to experts, DDS are now riding on this corruption issue to push pro-Duterte narrative instead of focusing on the hard evidence of plunder. A shaky spin, now an international mess. From local flood funds to global headlines, the misdirection spreads. Nakakatawa, sinasabi nilang fraudsters have ulterior motives. Pero courts already ordered the freezing of 135 bank accounts and 27 insurance policies connected to these projects. Kung lahat yan clean, bakit kailangang i-freeze ang assets? If you've got nothing to hide, face the people. Pero instead, political drama. Critics say the story's twisted, truth is lost. Even Senate witnesses revealed may kickback na 25% per project before contracts were signed. Guys, that means billions literally drained from life-saving projects. Ang laban na ito, hindi laban ng kulay o partido. Laban ito para sa katotohanan at pera ng bayan. Sama-sama tayong lumaban para sa hustisya. DDS says this is just drama. Pero drama ba ang baha sa sala? Tell me what you think. Comment below, share this video, at ipagpatuloy ang diskusyon. Don't let them twist the narrative. This is Rewind. Kita-kits sa next expose.